Who ever questioned if their bird has a dark side? While birds seem innocent and charming, some behaviors can leave you doubting their true intentions. Keep watching to find out if your bird is abusing you. Manipulative behavior. Is your bird a master manipulator? Look out for these signs for manipulative behavior. Your bird is using charming tactics to get what they want, such as mimicking sounds or performing tricks for treats. Your bird is displaying selective bonding, showing affection only when it benefits them. Your bird is exhibiting jealousy or possessiveness towards you or objects that belong to you. Lack of empathy. Empathy is an essential trait in social animals, but some birds may lack this characteristic and instead will show cold-hearted behavior, such as showing indifference or apathy towards the emotions or well-being of others, like not preparing tea for you when you're sick. Displaying aggression or hostility without provocation or remorse, like returning to playtime after biting you. Engaging in destructive behaviors without regard for the consequences or impact on others. Impulsivity and risk-taking, living on the edge. Is your bird a thrill seeker? Keep an eye out for impulsive and risky behaviors, such as your bird is engaging in demonic rituals, such as flying recklessly or exploring dangerous areas. Ignoring warnings or signals of danger, putting themselves and others at risk. Disturbing the peace. Some birds may display more eccentric behaviors and allow themselves to publicly appear without feathers on, naked like a baby's bum. Here are some of the lawbreakers that are now facing criminal charges.